Hi there. This is going to be a quick unboxing of my new Sony Blu-ray player. It's the model BDP-S6700. BDP-S6700. It's a Blu-ray player. It plays DVDs. It plays CDs. Does all those things. It upscales DVDs to near Blu-ray quality. So I have a pretty good collection of DVDs and Blu-rays, probably about 162, I think it is, and so yeah, I'm concerned that some of my old DVD Blu-ray players are not going to last forever. Like I have an LG Blu-ray player from 2012, which cost $100, and this one was $90, and this model originally was twice the price it's going for now, because it was introduced in like 2016. But yeah, for 90 bucks from Amazon, this is a great deal. Oh, and it also does 3D because I have a 3D TV. So let's open her up. And let's go over these check marks here. So we got compact disc, yes. DVD, yes. Blu-ray, yes. And 4K UHD upscale. So someday I might get a 4K TV. I'm not in any hurry to get one, but if I do, this would be nice for that too. And let's figure out how to open this. Looks like it's on the back side right here. Yeah. So let's take a knife, slice into this thing right here, and there we go. Just one thing to open. Then you pull up these tabs right here. Okay, and then should just open right up. But maybe it looks like it comes out the side like this. Yeah, very minimalist packaging, which is kind of refreshing. Instead of it's not easy to do one-handed. Okay, all right, there it is. And pull these little side pieces off, and it's wrapped up in this little thingy here. All right. Again, not easy to do one-handed. All right. So yeah, it's a nice looking little player. Much nicer looking than I've seen in pictures. Very shiny. It's got a nice brushed metal look on top, which is not, well, yeah, it's plastic, but it looks like brushed metal. So yeah, very plasticky, but you know what? It does the job. It's got a flash drive input in the front, power button, and eject button. What else do you need? The only thing I don't see yet is the remote, which is still hiding in the box. There's the instructions, in case you want to destroy it. And still have not found the remote. There's a hidden compartment in this box. And there's the remote inside that compartment. But they don't make it easy to get to. Yeah, here's the extra stuff. There's the remote right there. And here is, gotta be the power cord. Yep, that's a big power brick. Wow. All right, not very long either. So you'd think they'd give you at least 10 feet of power cord, but looks like about 6 feet. Anyway, I think that's all the contents. Yeah. Oh no, comes with batteries. That's always nice, which are AAA batteries. And these are even Sony branded batteries. So what do you know? In the past, I pretty much have liked Samsung Blu-ray players, but a couple of years ago, they decided to not make Blu-ray players anymore. Not even UHD Blu-ray players. So you're stuck. And there's the remote. Let's just hold it up. So we got our open, close, input. This is if you have a Sony TV, of course. Got a home button, Bluetooth, usual play and pause controls. Yeah, I doubt this is universal. It's probably Sony only. So, but it'll do the job. It's relatively small, lightweight. So yeah, this is going to be really much my backup player at this point. I've got a Samsung in my main room that's pretty old as well. And the LG from 2012 is kind of cool because in 2013 they changed the standard so that Blu-ray players can no longer have analog output jacks. Now, if you look at the modern ones, everything from 2013 on, they only have this. So you've got HDMI out, you've got digital out for audio, and you got a LAN connection. That's it. My LG from 2012 has analog video out and analog audio out, so it can be used as a CD player with a receiver all by itself. So that's the reason why I still have that one around. Anyhow, it's long enough to talk about this player, and you know, it does everything you expect it to do, I hope. I'm sure there have been numerous upgrades to this in the last 5 years, so hopefully it'll perform up to par. Oh, and as you can see in the back here, the software is Java powered, so that's good. So that should be really stable. Alrighty, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.